There should be equitable treatment of all nations. 80 years ago, that was not even thought of. But today, as I said, number of countries are surging to the fore. And that is a good thing. That needs to be accepted. It needs to be embraced that the world is becoming more and more diverse, but it is also becoming more and more united in many, many ways. So those who dissent from the unity and collective action that is being forged by many countries and global centers, which we all must embrace, are defining themselves out of history. And history will catch up with them, because this moment, which is now driven by digital transformation, artificial intelligence, democratic rule throughout many countries, requires that there should be good governance at a global level. And it should be good governance that enhances the lives of people around the world.